We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Xerox WorkCenter 6515. The problem we've noticed is that whenever we're making copies or scans, we're getting lines and different blemishes whenever we're making copies or scans. And that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So we're going to show you how to clean that scanner glass and get that all taken care of today. So it's a pretty simple process. The first thing we're going to do is open up the scanner here. And you'll notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed scanner for anytime you go and do face down scanning on the glass. But then there's a small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. And what that piece of glass is actually for is anytime we're using this top document feeder to scan or copy, it's all scanning and copying on this little strip of glass on the left. So if you're noticing that you're getting all your blemishes using one method or the other, whether you're doing the face down method or using the document feeder, that'll kind of help troubleshoot what piece of glass you really need to focus your cleaning on. So that's just kind of a troubleshooting tip for you. After that, to clean the glass, you're going to use a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use something like rubbing alcohol if you have that handy, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. The biggest tip I can give you is please always apply your glass cleaner directly to a cloth. You never want to apply your glass cleaner directly to the glass. If you do, you run high risk of the glass cleaner actually seeping underneath the glass, and then you're going to cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply the cleaner directly to your cloth. Once you do that, we're just going to wipe off the glass. We're going to start with the flatbed scanner. It's highly prone to fingerprints, dust, dirt, things like that. So we're just going to make sure we get all of that off. Just give it a quick wipe. And then we're going to come over to that small piece of glass on the left side, and we want to clean that really well as well. Again, they're highly prone to, especially since the paper is moving across it, to white out. If you use gel pens, sometimes they get ink buildup, things like that. So make sure you get all that off. Sometimes you have to go over it a couple times just to get everything off of there. Once you finish wiping everything off, kind of look it over, make sure you don't see anything still visibly on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I would recommend doing a test copy or a test scan using both types of scanning. So using the top document feeder as well as the face down method on the glass, just to make sure that you're happy with the results and you're happy with the way everything looks. If you're still getting slight blemishes, there's still probably going to be just a little bit of something on the glass that's hard to see. Just go ahead and repeat that cleaning process one more time and that should take care of it. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.